So hello everyone. So into this tutorial I will be sharing with you how to make landing page design for cycle brand in Canva. So let's start with it. So the main thing which is required for a landing page is a wider canvas. So for wider canvas, for this example we are choosing YouTube thumbnail. So let's start with it. Okay, and here we will choose a blank canvas. For this example, as you all know, we will be making everything from the scratch and doing it right in front of us. Okay, so main thing you have to keep it in mind that you have to mainly work on the background. If you are making a landing page design, you need to make the background in such a way, if it is a dark background or a lighter background, it doesn't matter, but you have to make the background so much highlighted so that even the picture gets more highlighted when it comes in front of the background. So here for this example, as you have seen in the thumbnail, we are making a darker background. So let's start with it. So we will go to background and here we will write gradient. Okay, and we will scroll down and we will come here and choose this. Okay, after choosing that we will click on flip and click on flip horizontal. Okay, so we will try to bring this darker area from this side to this side, because the cycle will be facing, the front side will be this side, so the darker one will be coming from this side. Okay, so we have to make it much more darker, but as you can see we can only change a single color and no other color can be changed here. So we have to come to elements here and again we have to write gradient transparent this time, because we need to have a transparent gradient. So we will choose this one and here we will change the color of purple to black. Okay, and now we'll stick it here and make it bigger. Okay, as much bigger so that it fills the background area, and we'll stretch it further. Okay, so that the black color comes on this side also. So let's stretch it. So this much back color looks good for us. Now we'll bring the canvas to the front. Okay, now it's time to make the next step, is to bring the bicycle in front of us. So in the upload section we have uploaded two images, one of the bicycle and another of the cloud. Both of these images we will find the link in the description. I will share all the links, and let's start with it with the design. So first we will choose this bicycle. Okay, so let's make it a bit smaller, and now let's position it to center. Okay, now it's done. Make it slightly bigger, again position it to center. Okay, now it's time to bring this cloud here. Let's make it bigger and stretch it throughout the canvas and bring it right here. And now we need to decrease the transparency so that it looks like it is coming out as a smoke but not affecting our main product, which is this bicycle. Okay, so decreasing it further. So 64 looks good for me, and now we'll click on outside and click on send backward. Okay, to bring it forward here, and now it's time to make it more highlighted. So we will click on edit image, click on adjust and see all, and we will go to highlights, increase the highlights maximum 100, and come in here, increase the brightness to 15 or 16 looks good. So we'll click on 15 Okay, so now you need to add the font here or the text here. So how to do it? Just add a heading, click on add a heading, or you can use any type of font combinations from here. For me, I am using this. It's not compulsory to use the similar font which I am using. Is for the example purpose, as you all know it. So we will write the brand as bike. Let's make it an imaginary brand. Okay, and now we'll choose the font as Leek Spartan. Okay, we'll choose this one. Okay, now let's increase the font to 155. Okay, let's place it right here, and now decrease the transparency as much as you like it. So make the transparency so that this smoke transparency and this transparency looks similar. So 57 looks good, and now we will click again to send backward. Okay, so now this is done. Let's bring it slightly lower so this is visible, and now we have to now add these icons for the landing page. So the landing page has this profile icon, this shopping icon, and this wish list icon. So for this we need to add the icon, but first we need to add a cycle logo here. So for that we'll come to elements, click on bicycle. Okay, so choose the first one, change the color to white. Okay, make it smaller and add it right here. Let's position it to center. Okay, and place it right here. So this will be the logo for our example, and right here we have to write this home and accessories. Okay, so for that we will be choosing a subheading font. For that we will write home. Let's decrease the size to 18. Let's add it here. Let's duplicate it and write it here, accessories or products. And this will be the two writings, and here we will add the icons. So for the icons we will come to elements. Again we will first choose cart, which will be the shopping cart, and we will choose this one, make it smaller and just add it. And as the icon also is in white color, so make the icon, these icons also white. So the cart is added. Now add profile icon. Make it again white. So bring it here. So let's make it a bit smaller. Okay. Make it a heart icon. Okay, so change the color to white, and let's make it smaller and add it. Okay, so as you can see, the landing page is ready. So in this way you can make your own landing page for your website and also for your own project purposes. Hope you like this tutorial, and stay tuned for more tutorials on our channel.